Hi everybody and welcome to this week's video. So today I am doing a Sunday reset. It is Sunday, it is like the longest day of the week for us here in the house because we usually just stay in. So it's the perfect day just to go around the house every so often, not like at a straight set of hours here, it's just like whenever during the day, and just like do a little bit of a pickup, a bit of a clean, bit of a Sunday reset, as I said, so we can go into Monday nice and tidy. Fingers crossed. I'm starting with the downstairs toilet. This actually doesn't look too much different start to finish. It was mainly just like the toilet to clean and the floor to sweep, so it didn't really look that different from start to finish, which I thought was quite funny. But yeah, here's me graciously cleaning a toilet. I think everyone can agree with me that cleaning the toilet is the worst task in the entire house. I hate doing it, especially this downstairs one because it's weird. I actually don't really use this one. I always go upstairs because I've always just been so used to an upstairs toilet. So yeah, and also cleaning out my son's potty every so often. Obviously I clean it out straight away anyway after he goes, but then just like the deep clean, you know, still not my favorite task in the world.
Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night. Oh, don't wanna wait all night. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio.
Moving on to under the stairs, this one was also a weird one to clean because it's so hard just to keep tidy. We dump everything in here, our shoes, our coats, our shopping bags, our things from work and nursery. So this spot is definitely an extremely difficult one to handle at the minute. However, we are doing a organizational video on this hopefully sometime soon, depending just on like budget and availability of products, so fingers crossed that comes soon. Again, start to finish, this doesn't look all that different. It still looks a little bit of a mess, but I promise you it's an organized mess and everything is in the spot it needs to be.
We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, yeah. We're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed. Take me there.
Next off, the kitchen actually was quite an easy clean this day, and I was really surprised by that because usually it just takes me forever to clean the kitchen. Just the surfaces, the sweeping, the mopping, doing all the washing and the drying, but we got through our washing and drying through the week this week, which was fantastic. So all I had to do was just a quick surface wipe, cleaning of the pots, plates, pans, what have you, and then I just cleaned the cooker top as well because that definitely needed a good scrub.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark? from so far away and show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's grey outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
Like I said earlier, we got through all of our washing this week. Did I fold it up and put it away? Of course I didn't. Who has time for that? Apparently not me. So that is basically what I'm doing right now, folding all of our clothes up, putting them into what I think is like strategized piles. I always love to pile everything in order of like, okay, whose does it belong to, what item of clothing is it, which drawer is it going in, and then it just makes it a lot easier for me to just put away in the long run.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. I wonder. I just wonder. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
I've mentioned this before, but our bedroom has definitely become just the absolute dumping ground of the house. Behind the camera you can't see it, but we have a huge pile of stuff ready to go underneath our new bed, which is hopefully going to be arriving sometime in the next week or two. We have been sleeping on a mattress for a week now, which I don't personally mind, but it is definitely just an inconvenience, we'll say. But honestly, it's totally fine. We don't hugely mind it. I would just love to get everything that is currently piled on the other side of the bedroom, as you can see here, into the under the bed storage that we will have very soon. Fingers crossed it comes in the next week. And yes, if you are new here, we do have a sofa in our bedroom. We don't know what to do with it. It was an old sofa. Should we keep it? Should we donate it? We're not too sure yet. So we're just keeping it here for now. To the main bathroom. Honestly, here just had to do a quick clean, bit of the toilet as usual, my worst task, and also just cleaning of the sink. Everything else was very much clean. I don't need to do a deep clean of the bathrooms just yet. You know when you just need that time to deep clean a bathroom? Today was not the day, I can tell you that. Off the clean with Tristan's room. His room was by far the cleanest room of the house, so I was definitely happy to finish in this room because It was just relaxing, even though I know it's sped up here, but it was just a really easy clean, and that's what I love. I love an easy clean. I'm actually quite surprised his room is the cleanest. However, he doesn't actually spend too much time up here, despite the fact all of his toys mainly generate themselves up here, but he actually keeps it okay for a toddler, so very happy. Of course the living room is a mess because that's where he mainly plays and everything, and we mainly spend all of our time in the house. But yeah, this was a super duper easy clean, and I'm not sure when, but in one clip you will see a Christmas tree, and just know that we have tried to put it down. He requested it to go up like mid-January, and we haven't been able to put it down since because he realizes he notices it's not there and begins to get really upset. So we've just dealt with it for now. Hopefully we can get it in under the bed storage when our bed arrives, and he will be none the wiser. Fingers crossed. Thank you guys so much for watching my Sunday reset cleaning routine. I love doing all of these videos. I'm having such a good time filming all of these for you guys. I really hope you're enjoying, and if you are, make sure you subscribe down below, hit that notification bell, and I will see you next week. Bye guys!